Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm with my cousin and we are going to be unboxing a great phone from Xiaomi. It is the Xiaomi POCO M3. So let's start off by looking at the box, and in front we have POCO M3 written on it, and then India's #1 quality smartphone brand, and 6000 mAh made in India. That's all it says in the front, and let's see what's on the back side. So it says 6000 mAh battery, AI 48 megapixel AI camera, and it comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 processor. And then it has a 6.53-inch Full HD Plus display protected with Corning Gorilla Glass 3. So let's begin unboxing it. So it says POCO on that. Inside this is the SIM ejection tool, the user guide. Let's keep that aside. The case, and yeah, like that. Let's keep all of that aside, and there's the phone. Yeah, let's keep the phone aside too, because I see what else is in here. Oh, we're putting it with that. And there is a USB Type-C cable and a 32-watt fast charger. So there's nothing inside. Doesn't have any headphones or anything like that. So let's before taking the phone, we need to take the case out, because we need to keep the case on the phone before doing anything. It's a really hard case. While it's booting, let's just check at the sides. So right here we have the speaker grill, then we have a headphone jack, then we have in the speaker grill we have the infrared blaster, then on this side we have the SIM tray, and then below we have another speaker and the USB Type-C charging port and the microphone. And on this side we have the volume buttons and the power button, and on the power button is the fingerprint sensor. It has a side mounted fingerprint sensor. So the phone has turned on. I already set up this phone before so that I can show it to you guys, and I did a few adjusting, and it wasn't like this, but it has a pretty cool and nice UI. So looking, the storage looks very nice. It's the usual MI UI. As you guys can see, if you guys have ever used an MI, it's the usual things. So yeah, I think it's like it is categorized here, like entertainment, photography. We have the camera and gallery. Everything is categorized. It's a pretty nice launcher. And now let's test the fingerprint sensor. So now I've turned off the phone, and let's see how powerful the fingerprint sensor is. I touched it, and I have to touch it again. I don't know why that. Oh yeah, it is press. It says touch again. I don't know why. Oh yeah. The thing is that the face is pretty nice, and the fingerprint sensor, I don't know about it. Not one of the best ones. So yeah, that's about it. Let's just check that. Fingerprint is on, but I don't know what's going on. Yeah, it's on. As you guys could see, I put my finger and it turned on. But sometimes it just doesn't work. So that's a problem. So that's a con. Now the way that the reason why it's on right now, because it also has face lock. And yeah, now we have to do a mandatory drop test, so let's do that. So I'm doing it from like this side. Yeah, I'm doing it from this side. Let's see if there's anything. Yeah, nothing. And let's do it again. Yeah, basically nothing is happening. So yeah, that's it with the drop test and everything. So that was the unboxing video of the POCO M3. So I hope you guys liked the video. So if you liked the video, make sure to like, subscribe and share. Make sure you turn on the notification bell so that you never miss one of my updates. So yeah, bye.